Hey guys, I'm Dory with the blog This Full Life 5, and today I wanted to talk to you about how to clean your carpet. In our last post, we talked about how we are redoing our living room for the one room challenge for the spring 2020 round, and so some of that includes getting a new area rug and getting some new furniture and different things like that. And so our furniture is supposed to be here today, and we're super excited about that. But before it gets here, we wanted to get our carpet clean and ready to go. And so one of my most popular posts on my blog is how to clean your carpet like a pro. And so I thought I'd go ahead and make a video about it to just share some tips and tricks on how to get your carpet really nice and clean. We live in Oklahoma, which is famous for that red clay dirt, and it really gets into your carpet and stains it. And we have white carpet. It was already here when we moved into the house. We also have 3 kids and a dog. So it's just, white carpet isn't ideal, but it's just what we have to work with right now. And so my uncle has laid carpet for years, and both my brothers worked for carpet companies all through high school and some college and some of that stuff. So they've given me lots of tips and tricks on how to get your carpet looking really good. So I'm going to share some of those with you today. Okay, for the first tip, don't ever use the soap that comes with your cleaner. When you buy a carpet cleaner, it usually comes with some soap, or you can buy some carpet cleaning soap, but it's not recommended to use that because it seeps down into your carpet and it's really hard for it to suck all of that soap back up. And what ends up happening is dirt and dust and different things collect on that and stick to it, making your carpet even more dirty, and it's harder to get clean. So, I recommend not using that. Instead, just use hot water. Get everything that you can get out with just hot water. A lot of stains will come out with just hot water, and so that's the best way to go. If you have some really difficult stains, here are some tips on how we do that. Another tip, you can spot treat those really bad stains with something like Woolite or another spray carpet cleaner. It doesn't seep in like the other kind does, and so you can spot treat those spots, let it sit there for a couple minutes before you go over it with your machine with the hot water to get that out. You can also pre-treat it with just more hot water. A lot of times we'll just heat up my kettle and we will just spot treat some of those spots. You know, our kids will drip hot chocolate or different things across the carpet, and so we'll just spot treat it with hot water, and a lot of times it'll just come out with that when we go over it with the machine. So that's a great way to do it as well. Sometimes we have some really tough stains. Our back door backs up to this white carpet, and so we'll get that red dirt and stuff caked in there. And so for those really tough ones, we like to use baking soda. Believe it or not, just sprinkling on some baking soda onto those really tough spots can make a world of difference. And sometimes you have to do it a couple times, but I've been amazed with the results that we've been able to get just using baking soda. And baking soda is all natural, and so it's a great choice for that. If you do have a really tough spot, getting one of these brushes is a great idea because you can get down into the fibers and get that stain out. So you might just spray it with some Woolite, or even just try the baking soda and get in there and scrub it really good before you clean it up with your carpet cleaner. Something we've just recently been using is OxyClean, and it works really well too, just for the spot treating. You can sprinkle a little bit on there and then go over it with your machine. Again, you could use the little brush to get in there and get it really clean. So that works really well too. And so you can kind of see some before and afters on what our carpet looked like with some of these tough red dirt stains, and then after we used some of these products. And so this is what we use to clean our carpet, and have had great success with it. So just to go over that one more time, don't use the cleaner that comes with your machine. Use hot water in your carpet cleaner. To spot treat, use hot water again with like a kettle or something. You can also spot treat with Woolite or one of those. For heavy stains, we recommend baking soda or OxyClean, and maybe a little brush to get in there and get the dirt and grime out of the fibers of the carpet. So I hope this post was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Go ahead, and I hope you'll go ahead and hit that subscribe button to follow along. We'll have another video about the one room challenge this week, and I'll be sharing about area rugs and how to choose one. So Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.